Alright, not sure if you can hear me, but today we are in Germany. It was a pretty stressful event getting the car here. Probably got a speeding ticket as well. But hey, it's drifting I guess. We're just checking the lug nuts, changed out the transmission because last event it broke. You will probably have seen the video. If not, check previous video. I went a little crazy and I lost second gear, so I dropped off the car by my homie. Thanks for helping out. You know who you are.
I just wanted to say thanks.
Got the new get-track transmission in. It was not a ZF, and also the reason why I blew, ZFs are much stronger, so we know that for next time. This is a get-track as well right now from a 4-cylinder. Had a bit of issues getting it in, especially the linkage is different from a 4-cylinder to a 6-cylinder, so if you ever do it, take that in mind. Alright, let's go for our first drive. Adamı. Oradan sonra mı? Alright, so we heard something strange with the car, but might just be the welded diff. Ouais, non, ça va, ça?
Ben, plus c'est une diff, quand c'est une diff, on t'entend là. On a draait, il m'a bien ligne dans l'autobus. Dat toch meer dan van te veel? Of zit dat mee dan?
Oh, dat is goed toch?
Ja? Ja, ik weet niet wat.
Okay, so I'm still filming, we're feeling the car out. It was making a weird noise when turning shallow. It's definitely not driveline because I cannot feel it when I'm giving throttle. We don't hear the sound anymore right now. I might just jack the car up in between sessions and have a look what it might be. But it feels okay right now. There is zero grip though. I have ball tires on it on the rear just to like check it out. There's absolutely no grip. I'll have to put some new tires on. Alright, I'm still feeling out the car and pretty dangerous here with no grip, so I'm gonna wait here a bit. I don't want to get grouped up in a train and wreck my car. I can't see anyone. The windows are foggy as heck. not doing that again. That will be really hard to link. It's really dangerous. I'm not that ballsy today. I'm really hot. That was good. Chiaro din Urbich, hodina rechts, hij reverse entry dan to me.
Was soll ich sagen?
We're going to slow down. I think the session is almost over, to be frank, but I would like to link the big one, the entry. in the complete course except for this, but I'm a little afraid of like this sketchy paving. Alright, that was quite a stressy first session. I think we are good though. The car makes noises, but drift car, I guess. Hi.
Kannst den Abschlepphaken nur rausmachen, also lass den im Auto drin, weil wenn du den jetzt drin hast und du tippst vorne irgendwas und du bleibst irgendwo mal stecken, dann habe ich nichts, wo ich dich mit rausziehen kann.
I don't speak German. I'm sorry. Are you speaking about the tow hitch? The hook?
The haken.
Take it off.
Take it off?
Put it here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
Thank you. How weird.
Some taxi. Nou, dat voor een catastrofe zitten.